Okay, guys. That's what we got here. That's what we got.
No.
No, he's eating it for money. He's doing it.
$5.
I don't care. He's doing it.
Don't do it in here. Do it out there.
It's right there, man. It's right there.
Wait.
I'm videotaping. Oh my god.
Get out there and get on your hands and knees and face us.
Alright, hold on,
How much y'all giving him?
5.
That's it? No. Well, take 10.
Who else has?
I'll help you out.
Yeah, sweet. Let me go get my money.
Wait, I don't know. Go 5.
5.
Why?
Come on, you're gonna do it for 5, man. You're doing it for 5.
I'm ready. Okay, this is gonna be like super mega game.
Oh gosh, this is gonna be beautiful.
Right.
I've never seen anyone do this.
Hey, you know what we're doing after you eat the yellow snow?
What?
We're stripping down the shorts and we're gonna run to Pastor Steve's house and back.
Elliot is about to
Yes,
eat
men.
yellow
We're men.
snow.
Yeah. It's Micah's yellow snow, by the
This
way.
is what we do on the ski trip.
Wait. You have to go around that we can see you eat it.
And
Put
this
some
is
shoes on or
Micah's.
something.
This is Micah's
All right,
fresh
get down on your knees.
yellow snow.
Micah's yellow snow.
This is my fresh yellow snow.
Do it. Just come on, do it.
Ready?
Do it, man.
Do it.
That money is worth it.
$5, everybody.
All right, you ready?
This is gonna be so nice.
Dude, you
Come on,
got
Elliot,
this, man.
Olympic.
It's sick.
You're already there, man.
$12,
You
right?
can't get sick from
Yeah,
it.
you're getting $5 from me.
$50.
You're getting $5 from me. You're getting it.
I have no $5.
You're lame.
I'll give you
broke.
$5. You'll get 10.
$10, okay.
Oh, Father.
All right, here.
I gotta get on ground view for this. This is gonna be beautiful.
Hey,
Like,
I'm
think
gonna-
of it.
A little bit so you can see him
I'm
do it.
gonna like pick it up and eat it.
All right, you do that.
Yes,
I'm not
yes.
eat it all. I'm just gonna like.
You gotta swallow and everything, man.
No, I'm
Oh
not.
my.
All right, yeah, sure.
It's
It's
eating.
there, it won't
It's
hurt you.
eating. Not tasting. It's eating.
Nasty.
Pea's actually healthy.
It really is.
Like for real.
Come on, man.
Do it, man. You said you could do it.
So you'll like the taste.
This is ghetto.
So you're gonna go and ask the guy who ate the snow,
No,
or you're gonna
that
be the
ain't
guy
it.
who
That
didn't
ain't
eat
Dude,
the
I got a
snow.
whole.
That ain't it. There
That
ain't
ain't it.
that.
There's pee in there.
Right
You're
there.
right there.
This
Right
is
there.
pink.
Get in the middle of it.
Oh,
Yeah, there it is.
Yes.
There's some yellow snow.
Eat that,
That
dude.
right there.
One.
Well,
No, there ain't no. I don't see it.
All
I
right.
don't see it.
you gotta eat it all. Eat it all. Wanna make sure you ate that.
Yeah. Y'all saw it on my tongue. But
No, get a lot.
Do one more. I want you to eat that whole chunk since it's not hard. The whole chunk. You're gonna get 5 from me. Go. The whole chunk, man. So you
Oh God. Oh my God. Oh, this is sick. Oh God.
All right,
Oh,
you
my
can stop.
God.